Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see someone's recent followers on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile and suppose you want to see someone's Instagram account. Suppose it is this one. And you want to see their recent followers. So head over to the followers that is currently for him, it's 80. So here you can see, if you scroll down, there are the followers and recent followers of this account. And in the same way, this applies for each and every account you go. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.